Hi, my name is Jerry Jusianiec and I am the head men's basketball coach here at Alfred State College. I am entering my 22nd year of running the basketball program and have to say that I am as or more excited about year number 22 as I was about my first year. I want to thank you for showing interest in Alfred State and want to wish you the best of luck on your journey of choosing the best fit for you. Hopefully I can answer some of your questions in this video. The men's basketball program is in our second year of being a member of the AMCC, the Allegheny Mountain Collegiate Conference, composed of 9 institutions from Western New York to Pennsylvania. We are working hard every day towards our ultimate goal, a conference championship. On top of our very competitive conference schedule, we try and play the toughest non-conference schedule that we can to prepare us for postseason tournaments. We know that being a student athlete at the collegiate level is very demanding and challenging, and that is why we are looking for well-rounded individuals that are committed, responsible, hardworking, and passionate, not only about the game of basketball, but about their academics and life in general. Our practices and preparation for competition are rigorous, with an emphasis on fundamentals and playing team basketball. Practices are designed to assist players in developing individual skills and to help build strong team chemistry through high-energy drills, an intense defensive philosophy, and high-paced, up-tempo offense. Our goal for each and every one of our student athletes is that they improve on a daily basis and have fun doing it. So if you love the game of basketball and want to challenge yourself and think you have what it takes to be a college athlete, please contact me by phone or email. I would love to talk to you and your family about the great possibilities at Alfred State College. Again, thanks for your interest in Alfred State men's basketball, and go Pioneers.